In this video, we're going to review the quality settings inside FloorVisio and explain how they automatically control quality checkpoints throughout your manufacturing process. One of the powerful features of FloorVisio is that it can automatically insert quality inspection steps into your routing. These steps help ensure parts are inspected at critical points, especially around outside services and final shipments. To review or adjust these settings from the home page, click on View, hover over Settings, and then click System Settings. Now we will locate the setting of No Quality Before Outside Service. OSS stands for Outside Service. When this setting is unchecked, FloorVisio will automatically insert a quality step before any send to outside service operation in your routing. This means the part will be inspected internally before it leaves your facility. This is useful for verifying dimensions, prep work, or completeness list before sending parts out for plating, coating, heat treat, or other vendor processes. If this box is unchecked, FloorVisio will not add a pre-outside service quality step. Next, locate No Quality After OSS. This setting controls quality after parts return from an outside vendor. When this option is unchecked, FloorVisio will automatically insert a quality inspection step after the part is received back from the outside service. This allows your team to verify the vendor's workmanship, coating thicknesses, finish quality, compliance to the print. If this box is checked, no automatic post-outside service inspection step will be added. Next, locate the No Final Quality setting. This setting controls inspection before shipping. When this option is unchecked, FloorVisio will automatically add a final quality step before shipping on each order. This ensures that all required operations are complete. The part meets final inspection criteria and documentation is verified. If this box is checked, FloorVisio will not automatically create that final inspection step. Finally, the setting Skip Over Quality. This setting affects shipping behavior. If Skip Over Quality is checked, the shipping department will be allowed to ship the part even if the work order is currently sitting at the final quality step. If this option is unchecked, the quality step must be completed before shipping can proceed. This gives you control over whether your quality is mandatory before shipment or if shipping can override it. In summary, no quality before outside service. If unchecked, an inspection before outside service will be added. No quality before or after outside service. If unchecked, an inspection will be added after the outside service. No final quality. If unchecked, FloorVisio will add an inspection before shipping. And finally, Skip Over Quality, if checked, will allow shipping while at final quality. These settings allow you to customize how strict your quality flow is within FloorVisio, ensuring your manufacturing process aligns with your company's inspection standards and compliance requirements. Once your quality settings are configured the way your company prefers, be sure to click Save Settings. To apply the changes,